Hi guys, it's Angel, and welcome to our new YouTube channel. So I have Red Panda Blogs. I did some tutorials there, but I'm gonna keep doing some stuff there. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make something in the Teespring app or website. So you click on, let's see, first this is the home page right here, this one. So you click on start designing. Then I'll just put like something like a phone case. Here are the phone cases it has. It shows it in American US dollars or in euros. So first you click on add image. Oh, and you can change the prices here. So like this. Like that. Our logo. So now this is how it's gonna look. So now we click continue and you select what you want to have in your store. Probably next week have I will show you how to make your own store in Teespring. So you click on add again on all these. So this is how these are gonna look like, except for this one, of course. So I'll update you when it's all done loading. So oh yeah, and guys, so it might be slow. So I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna come back right now. So guys, we're back. I think I am recording. So in these right here, you select the styles and you can actually edit them. So like this. Click on design. So this side is the front. So I'm just gonna put the face there. And my cousin might just come into the studio right now. So just like that, you can put, okay, wait, let's see. I'm gonna add just this part of the logo, just the face. So image. So I'm mostly gonna make 10-minute videos. So just wait.
Oh,
Guys, this is Natalie, my cousin.
can you see me?
Yeah.
Hello.
Oh no.
No?
No.
Why?
This is Red Panda Tutorials.
Oh.
So I mean Red Panda Online Tutorials. So it's online. I'm not gonna be showing my face until a period of time. So you can actually change the price, and you can actually get at least 1 cent more with this hack. You add an extra 9, you get 1 cent. So this is how they're gonna look. So save changes, do the same thing to the other one. I'll come back after editing this. So in like 4 minutes, it's gonna end. Well, 4 minutes for you guys, or 3 minutes. So guys, I think I'm back. So I've edited all of this. Correct me in the comments if I have wrong grammar. So now I continue. Red Panda to online tutorials first merch. So now I just edit what I said. I was just making a video so my viewers can see that how to make merch. Okay, I'm just using my speaker, so I was just making a video so my viewers. Okay, there you go. So I'll add it later. Publish, and there you go. You just wait until it's preparing the listing. I think I am still recording. So I am actually gonna leave in 1 minute. So it's this simple. Bye guys, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. And subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment down below what other tutorials I could be making for you guys. So bye. Well, first I want to tell you that in the description I'll leave a link to Red Panda Blogs. And in Red Panda Blogs I'll leave a link to this channel. Bye.